So we're really excited today because we are going to be installing the new MUTOH XpertJet 1642WR. Perfect for dye sublimation printing, textile printing, on dye transfer paper. It's going to be great because this machine is fast, it's efficient, and more importantly, it's affordable. So let's go through the installation process and stay tuned for more. So previously our client was using the MUTOH RJ900X, also a great machine for dye sublimation printing. We still have that. So if you guys are looking to just start into dye sublimation printing, this is a great machine. The customer has had it for over like 10 years or something like that. So it's time for him to upgrade. Alright, so behind me we are unboxing the MUTOH machine. As you can see, it is a beautiful machine. Let me show you a closer look so you get a better idea as to what this machine is all about. Alright guys, just take a close look at this. Even the machine looks really awesome. I mean, the way that they have designed it, absolutely interesting with this matte black finish, glossy screen. Let's show you what it looks like from the back. So it's got those heavy-duty loading systems for the dye sublimation rolls, which can be quite large. And yeah, these are our air filtration systems to keep everything nice and clean. A convenient tray to keep your stuff. And let's get started to unpack and get this thing on the stand, which they are assembling over here. That's where the stand assembly is going on. We're going to put the machine on the stand and roll it into the client's place. So we've managed to get the machine out. The lift was extremely narrow, but we managed to do it. Alright guys, so we're moving the machine off to its new home. Yes, it is. So we're installing this today at a dye sublimation production house. They produce jerseys, t-shirts, and a whole lot more. Okay, here we go. This is the dye sublimation factory in which we are installing the machine. It's a bit of a squeeze because there are many machines on each side. We've managed to push it into this very narrow way, which is located here. It's really narrow. Wow, this is tough, man. Alright, almost at the last few inches, and we've got it. Alright, got it in its place. That's great.